Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a good habit, and if you practice this habit regularly, it will save you a lot of effort and troubles when working with date fields while importing data from different data sources in Microsoft Excel. As data analysts, we have to work with data from different regions and different sources. So when we work with data and load data in Excel, the date format can give us a lot of trouble depending on the region and area from which the data is being imported into. Say one country may have date stored in a different format, say MM-DD-YYYY. Another country may have its own format as DD-MM-YYYY. So this may cause conflict when you're working with dates. If you stick around till the end of the video, you'll be able to work with date formats very easily, irrespective of the country or region it is imported from, and it will save you a lot of trouble and it will boost your productivity by doing data analysis. I'm also going to be using an older version of Excel because, as mentioned in my previous videos, I want everyone to be able to follow along. So if you have Excel 2007 and onwards, you can follow along this tutorial. I'll be leaving a link to the file that I've used. I've used the employee sample dataset.csv and also which I've used in my other Excel online series. This link I will leave in the description as well. So I've loaded this file into the Excel. Okay. Now you can see I'm working with the higher date. Now the higher date, I cannot tell if the first cell is MM-DD-YY or DD-MM-YYY. If I see the next cell, it's clearly MM-DD-YYY format. Okay. Now, at the same time, the data is not formatted consistently. Some places I can see it is separated by a hyphen, and other places they are separated by a front slash. Let's see if I want to do some data operations on this date. I've directly opened this CSV file. I don't know from which country or region this data is imported from. So I want to say how long a specific employee is working with me. Let me convert this into the number fields first so that I can know the number of days. And I use the today function. And let's see what happens if I directly work with date field. I select this and it has given me some value and some number of days. But still I don't know if it is MMDD or DD-MM-YYYY format. Now if I drag this formula down, you can see it is giving me a lot of errors. Because the date format clearly here is MM-DD-YYYY format. But on my machine, depending on my region, the date format is in DD-MM-YYYY format, right? So because of a mismatch in the date format, Excel is not able to understand and is giving me errors. So I will have to format this and write some formulas to make it in the proper format. And this will cause me a lot of headache and take up a lot of my time. There's a better way of doing this, and I'm going to show you this best practice. If you follow this habit, it will save you a lot of trouble. Let's take a look. So I've imported the same data set. I go to the data ribbon and I click on from text and I've imported the CSV file. Now I just say click on the delimited option. I click next. I'll uncheck the tab and select the comma because it is a comma separated file. Now all I need to do here is go to the date fields. I select on the higher date field. Oh, I'm sorry. I need to click on next. Yeah. Now in this place I need to go to the date fields. I select on the higher date field. I need to tell Excel in which format this date field exists. So clearly I can see it is in the MM-DD-YY format. So I change this to MM-MDY format. And another date field is there. I click on this. And I can change this format as well to the MDY format. And that's all I need to do. And I click on finish. And I place it in this worksheet. And you can see Excel has beautifully converted this data into the consistent format for me depending on my region. So my region, the date format is in the DD-MM-YYY format. So it has consistently converted this into this format and even the exit date. Now if I do some date operations, say I do the same today function, okay, minus the higher date to find how long the employees are working with me. Let me convert this into the numeric format. I go to home, I click on date and numeric. So it shows me 2718 days. And if I drag the formula down now, it works very well and shows me how long employees are working with you, right? So this will simplify your date operations and you don't have to do any other formatting. Once you work with data from different regions, always use this habit and then you will have your date formatted in the right format as per your region and you will not have any problem with any date field, as date and time are the most important fields when we do data analysis and time phase forecasting and also other data analysis. I hope you like this video. If you enjoyed this, please don't forget to leave a like. Leave a comment for any other topics you want me to make on data analysis or machine learning. And I will leave a link to the description of my other videos that I have made on the similar topics. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to stay up to date to all the latest tips and tricks in the data analysis workspace. Thank you.